then the angle of this place is the real distance, lower. Take this, cut this area loose. Then use that 3/2. These 3. Put it. Just make it smaller, adjust it a little bit in front of this, 8-10 points. Then this one was empty just now, then some of them can still be kept here, probably stay, a few thousand is fine. 2 laps. Brother, 3 circles. We will adjust it if we each agree. Why do you need to adjust this? Because the distance is smaller, the distance between you and me is smaller, the distance between anti-brothers is small, so you have to carry it. Confirmed, that is to drag it closer to me. Then adjust this angle now. It's not right at this angle now. If it's not right, then use this angle. Call this place tune up. Seal the 2 luo shoe. Close this and select here. I really can bite it off. Sometimes you can introduce, why is there still so much difference? What is the difference in distance? Still have to hold on, just make the bridge. Just now, the bridge is slow, then the bridge is not gentle yet. Really brought Chaozi to this place. This place is Chaozi, then just watch it when you bite it. Look at this place, is it? Then you can't lose it in this place, right? Fresh milk after shame, I can't throw it away to you. There is one more. All this bridge. Can throw it away yet, then adjust it a little more over here. Because if you look at it this way, cannot tell, it's just editing. That. There is another picture below, now it is straight. That's the addition. The distance of that line. If it is a little different, you have to stay in that place. Is such that. It's slow now. Then look at it like this, take your time and watch. Are the angles on both sides the same? It will also touch. If you hook it, you will also touch the thread. If you hit the line, it just won't work. It just flew over and came online. Give hook hair. The angle is a bit big, turn it down a little more. It's the real distance, turn it down a little more. Although it is adjusted now, it's just that the angle can be adjusted. How do you determine which way to adjust the angle? The angle is just a glance. If this hook. Last time, there was still a bit of a hit line here. There was a bit of a hitch last time. A little bit here. There's still a little bit of a hit line. All the angles are still a little bigger here. The bigger the better, just knock this place a little more. This is smile smile. Take back a successful subscription. Just leave the screw in the direction in which the screws are inserted. Loose it means the distance is bigger, just it means the distance is smaller. The greater the loose distance, the smaller the loose distance. The smaller this distance is, the smaller the distance from the high growth rate is. Yes, it is really only a small distance away. Instead of increasing the distance between 2 ridges and 3 ridges, that's the distance. Why do I look the same? It's still the same anyway. The remaining purple film becomes purple first. That's purple film. Yes, a little more. The angle is a bit wider and the bottom is purple. It's all slowing down now. I'll tell you later. You read pretty good. Give me the needle. There don't seem to be these 2 wires. It rubs up from the middle like this. Hook it again. Want to come up again, as soon as it is hooked from this thread. He's already like this, saw it. It feels good. His eyes are so doggy. It wasn't like this before, bro. Wait a minute, I'll call it out. Take another look. Now one head is anti-bone, others are just for controlling dogs. No, the front of your head is the same.